Hi, I'm Dean from iTex, and today I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Teams in 5 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is launch Teams. So to do this, click on the start menu, and type Teams. Now you'll see Microsoft Teams come up there as an application. If it doesn't come up, it's because it's not installed. But don't worry, you can install it via Microsoft Office 365 if you're a subscriber, or there's a free version available online. If you're unsure how to install it or how to get started, please email me at dspencer@itex.co.uk or message me on LinkedIn, post me a question there, and I will help you all I can. So to get started with Microsoft Teams, once you're in the Teams application, on the left-hand side, midway down, click on Teams. Now you will need to create a team. That's the starting point. So create team, and you can create a team here and build a team from scratch. Now you can name the team anything you want. Click on private first of all, and you can name it something like sales, accounts, HR, projects. In this demo though, I'm going to call it my business. You can call that your business name if you want, and click on create. Now what Teams will do is it will ask you to invite team members. Now the team members are the people you will talk to on a daily basis inside your organization. So I'm going to add some of our team members at iTex, and these people are going into my team here. Now, once these team members are here within this team, whatever I do in this team will be communicated to those people. So I'll click close. And now it says welcome to team here. And now you can add more people, create more channels, or you can open the FAQs. So if I put hello team, that essentially is broadcast to the team members. Or I can say hello to an individual team member here. And the difference being here, when I message Jake Balfour, for example, or Chris Thompson, a pop-up will appear on their screen and they will see that and they will know to respond. Now, Martin's said hello here, so I'm going to give him the thumbs up. Jake said hello, I'm going to give him a smiley face. And that is basically a two-way communication. Now, once you've got your team established, you can begin sharing files and folders, and you can do that by clicking on Files here. So if you click on Upload, here you can upload Word documents, Excel documents, PDFs, images, photographs, site plans, drawings, whatever you use in your organization, you can upload here into files. Now, once it's uploaded, if you click on Sync here, it will synchronize a copy to your File Explorer to allow you to use those files and folders within Teams, but not being in Teams. So using it via traditional File Explorer here. Okay, so that is Teams. That is how to build a team, how to communicate with team members. You can also have one-to-one chat here, and you can talk to individuals in your organization on a one-to-one basis. So if I speak to Chris, for example, one of our engineers, hello, Chris. Now, what I can do up here on the right is I can video call Chris. I can do an audio call, or I can share something on my screen with Chris, like a PowerPoint presentation, something I'm working on, and that will allow us to collaborate together and work on that document. So here's your team, here's your My Business, here's the general team, here's the things we've been talking about, here are your files and folders. A wiki is essentially a knowledge base for your business, which you can build. And what you can also do here is create additional tabs, and you can add websites, for example. If your business has got websites like ISO standards or supplier websites that you're always looking at, you can pin those websites to the team here. Okay. And this is going to now start bring your team together, and everybody's working together from the same team channel. So I hope this helps your business to work remotely. If there's anything you want to ask, please, again, don't hesitate to get in touch. My email address is dspencer@itex.co.uk. Again, you can contact me on LinkedIn. So that is Teams, and thank you for listening.